one private company, fabrication of the tanks and heat exchanger preservation, all like static equipment.
Okay, okay. Very
I am in Trichy.
Tirchi.
I am living in Trichy, Tamil Nadu, Chennai,
Okay, okay.
India.
You are coming first time here in discussion. I think your first time you are
No,
coming here.
last time that piping, no, I'm in this group regularly, but this is my second meeting. Last time, lately joined for that piping meeting.
Okay, okay. Piping meeting. Okay,
Hello? Yes.
yeah, yes.
Yes, that's all. This is about me. Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have any issues or any solution that you want to discuss here?
No, at the moment I'm not having anything, but I have to. This what is the solution for any issues with that? That's why I came here.
Okay, okay. And Hassan, can you please introduce yourself?
Sir, actually, my name is Haseen Ahmed. I am working for static equipment design engineer,
Where it is?
Greater Noida, Noida.
Okay, okay. In Delhi. Okay.
Yes, sir, Delhi NCR.
How many years experience you have?
4 years.
4 years. Okay. And currently you are handling which are the equipments?
Pressure vessel heat exchanger column.
Okay. Okay, your columns also you are handling.
Yes, yes.
Okay. What is the current maximum size of that column?
Maximum 800 ID and 20 meters height.
20 meters height. Okay, that's not the big. Okay, and how about the supports and that one for that one?
What support?
Skirt
Aspect.
support. It's a vertical
Yes.
skirt support or it's will be inclined skirt
Skirted.
support. Skirt is
Okay, yeah, flared.
okay, means it's straight one, right?
Yes.
Okay, and it's a tray. Inside it's
Yes, sir. TSR, tray support ring,
okay.
and also packing and packing.
Compact packing.
Yes, sir. Packing and also the demister pad, demister ring.
Okay, okay. Okay, Asim, I think it's a good one because rarely this column and that projects means in 4 years the engineer get the chance to work on this one, but you got the chance. It's I think it's good to you to learning in that one. So you are facing
Yes.
any issues or any in that one? Any solutions you want to share in this group? You want to share anything?
Actually, I was busy.
Pardon? Your voice is cutting, is breaking. It's not. You have any?
Actually, sir,
Yeah.
I have no. I do design a column, but actually, I want to ask some parameters ki what we should include, and sometime there is the rigging analysis failed. Then how to resolve it?
Okay, rigging analysis fails and that one. Okay. Vicky or Kaushik, do you want to answer? Or I will.
No, rigging analysis fails means you are talking about during transportation or during lifting.
Lifting.
No, rigging analysis should not fail, right? Because you do it when you are designing the thickness itself.
Okay. Then what we should do? Change the location and elevation of trunnion. Lifting line.
Elevation of trunnion. See, normally we put the external stiffener, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Actually, see, the normally the lifting is the depends on your what you are lifting with the internals, with the sometimes with the platform. So normally customer insist with lots of things, but we normally convince customer, okay, we will not include the internals, okay, we will not include the externals, I think platforms. So then we reduce the weight. So it should not fail. Actually, I never came across failure during rigging, because normally we don't do the internals, we don't do the rigging calculation with the internals and with the external platform. So I don't have the correct answer.
What we should per for general design in column, what we should we consider the weight, because in the case of tower, if you don't consider the internal weight and packing, if anything will happen, then what will we do?
No, you will not consider, because the internals. I am talking about the internals which will be fitted, not the welded part. Maybe but if you are going to consider during rigging analysis, it will be only the parts which are welded to the vessel. Okay.
Yes.
The internals which are going to put, you will not consider, because you will not transport the column with the internals, right? Because
Yes,
that will
yes.
be that will be side. So you remove that first. Then you remove the platform support also. Not
Okay.
platform support. Sorry, the platform weight. We don't do the. Sometimes customer asks that we should do the lifting with the platform. So you have to convince the customer that my rigging analysis is failing if I consider this platform. So you remove the weight. So you have to do the weight management very correctly to avoid this failure in rigging analysis. You have to accurate weight analysis will give you the correct rigging analysis.
Yes. Thank you. Then I'm asking to you, okay, what we should we consider during the column design? What parameter we should care about?
I am not sure about your question. Means what parameter?
I'm saying ki what we should we consider in column design, just like internal weight, liquid weight, matlab, and
See, our case, normally we do very thorough analysis about the weight. Okay, we consider like what should be the transportation weight, what should be the lifting weight, what should be the means the, you can say, the when the column is erected, what will be the weight, then hydro test weight, then so that way we analyze. Okay, so then we have to consider, when you are considering the rigging analysis, you will consider rigging analysis. It's like it's a without any other weights, right? Which is only welded, you will consider. So it is not like a very generic answer. Okay, you have to make that sheet. What are the weights you have to consider each and every part? So that is the way. Normally we do very thorough analysis of the weight. So we differentiate. Okay, hydro test weight, then operating weight, then transportation weight, then this. So when differentiate, then we'll come to know. Okay, this is the difference. This should be the difference, because saddle will not come during your rigging. Okay.
Yes.
So you have to consider. Sometimes you would say, okay, the saddle also will be part of that rigging analysis. No, it will not be, right. So that way you have to first differentiate. So it's a long process. I mean to say, not easy one.
Yes.
I want to add some more in this one. He started with rigging analysis. So actually, if even if he considers the weight, only the welded parts weights and only that one, still if means in designing itself, if it fails, then you have to just increase the thickness of that one, the where it's your connections means lifting parts are there, that thickness if you increase, then the your column or your that one will be get cleared in analysis, in design analysis. And considering in column, it's something means additional things you have to consider in designing, like the column's height is high, means the means where wind loads will comes and hits very highly, on that time you have to consider these things, means the shading effect of that one, means at top of that this column will be shading effect, it's limited by some it depends on the client to client, they given in their specifications, so it should not more shades, means shakes it's that column. and bottom whatever supports you provided, skirt support, that support sometimes if the column height is more, then you have to provide the that inclined type of supports, and the columns and that one normally the internal supports or it comes, so draining and that comes, so opening in that one means bottom from skirt it should be free, means easily you can drain nozzles and that can be accessible. These few points you have to consider, and also due to the length of this column there might be chances of different thicknesses of the columns. So in each part, each shell part, you can try and verify whether that thickness, if you consider at bottom maybe the 32 comes, maybe the after that next shell maybe it's maybe 28 like that. So if 28 passes, then you can go for next shell like that. So means each shell you have to verify whether it can be reduce the thickness, because complete shell, complete column if you make by 32 so the costing may increase. So each part you have to verify depending on the nozzles and that one, and additional any supports comes and that one. So you can in normally in tank how the top shells comes, that will be thinner and compared to the bottom due to the load and that carrying and everything. So you have to verify that one, and you accordingly you can reduce the thickness also. And this few parameters you can consider while you are in design. Right, Kaushik? Anything I missed?
I think correct. That one is enough.
Okay.
More than enough.
Okay. Thank you. Anything, Hasim? Any more you want to? Okay. Kaushik, do you have anything to discuss? Any points?
No, I don't have anything such.
I think today the numbers also less. I think after 8:30 also the numbers is coming. We are getting less.
Yeah, I believe everybody would be having their own commitment.
Yeah. It's very old, or you have how many static engineers are there in your company?
What, sir? Can you repeat, sir?
How many static engineers are working in your company?
Yeah, sir. 5 years. Five.
Okay, and in that one senior will be there, right?
Yes.
And how many years experience he had? Senior one?
15.
15 years. Okay, Asim. He any issues like now you got the rigging issue. So whether he is not able to solve your issue, or you didn't ask him these questions to him?
Okay.
You didn't ask, or you how means you feel better to ask in our group or better to ask him? Which one you feel good? Means
Okay, sir. I'm just. I want to ask you what we should do. Just general practice. That's why. Otherwise, I will do it practice, and maybe it will resolve.
uh, no, means you will feel free to ask your senior, or you will feel free to ask in our group. Which one you feel better option?
I can ask anywhere. Both are free.
Okay, both are free means you will comfortable with whom, means your senior asking to your senior,
Yeah,
because
but
in
I'm comfortable with both you and my senior also.
okay, because in my case, my senior, I used to face some, I mean, some, it's not that I'm comfortable to ask my senior. So normally I used to, my friends or wherever I group joined, I used to ask them like that. So that's why I'm asking. So how is yours, means you are also like that, or, okay, you are comfortable with both you can ask here and you can ask there. Okay. Okay, so if we prepare some of the documents from yours, like columns and that one, are you able to take from us?
Yes.
Okay. So what makes you to take from us, means it's the quality or trust, or how you will believe that our given document will be better than what produced in your company?
Okay, because I work with also people. Actually, their contract the parameters of the specification what we should consider. the general specification for all the other equipment, just like pressure vessel, heat exchanger, column, tank. Then according to this specification, I take the parameters and as per the documents I design.
Okay. Okay, you'll take the parameter from their means means maybe the data sheet what is it. But there are some standard like lifting lug. There is a standard for lifting lug. There is standard for vertex breaker. Maybe there is standard for
Yeah,
some. Yeah.
there is a client standard. He given to me.
Okay,
He has
but
given to me.
it's not okay.
No, no, it's client side.
Client
But
side.
but approved by PMC also.
Okay, okay. Client given means it's final. What we can they approve because it's client document, so they have to approve that one.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. How strict this one means? Thyssen Group means working with Thyssen Group is okay, or it's a very stringent requirement. They will say that no, this is not means they will revise so many times like that.
Yes, it's very strict. If every parameter will good, then you will approve. Otherwise, no approve.
Means very stringent to be follow their
Yes, yes, very strict.
requirement. Okay, okay. Thyssen Group, did you work anytime with L&T and that one?
No, till now I didn't work with LMT.
Okay, because we faced much problem with L&T. Means their approval is very strange. Means many revisions. Means even small mistakes, we have to correct that one. It's like that several times like that. They will make that one. And even EL also will be like that. EL also we worked, and in there also we faced a lot of means minor mistakes. They need to be corrected. It's not that they'll not relieve us.
Yes, yes. Actually, the documentation is first documentation. PMC believes with documentation.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Documentation means
Documentation should be correct.
documentation means what? The cosmetic things like document number or document revision number, date, that one, or your inside parameters.
No, all parameters inside there.
Okay, okay.
I mean I want to say कि PMC believes the documents कि what we should parameters given there, every parameter should be correct.
Mm-hmm.
100%.
Yeah, correct. But there are some missing information which are not available in provided document. Like lifting, like they provided, but they're not given the whole size of that one. So we refer some of other document and we make that whole size of that. Or we with our expertise or experience, we say that okay, this much hole might be like that. So,
Yes, yes,
but
and also lifting lug as per the standard, the market, the crane size, and also how to we lift the equipment. If the available, not available, then how is it possible? Ki, according to that, also as per good engineering practice, we take care about the whole. Sometimes the equipment is very large, then we should care about the crane. There is the availability of ceiling is this type of size or not.
yeah, that's I'm saying, if information is not available, then we'll with our expertise or experience, we'll add that one. And
Yes, yes.
when we add that one, then again the comment what we used to receive, this to be verified and confirmed. Means verified means again we have to do some analysis on that one, some FE analysis or that. Then they say that okay, then only it's correct. Then FE analysis again it takes several weeks to finish. Like that it goes. Okay.
Yes. Okay, but there's some just like WRC 107297 on a spherical descent, but the from center to the like round knuckle radius. If my nozzle is at knuckle radius, then there is the fail of WRC because WRC does not calculate on knuckle radius.
Yeah, yeah.
Then what we should fail prefer? If there is fail, then we should FEA.
Yeah, we have to go for FEA. Did you done any FEA jobs?
I'm saying कि WRC is not applicable at the crown knuckle radius, knuckle, very near the knuckle.
Yeah. Then we have to go for this FEA analysis.
Okay, but if client given there is the parameter just like a nozzle load. If if nozzle is inserted the near the knuckle radius, and then we put the value WRC the but there is the parameters can no it's the inclined and it's the radial. So knuckle at that knuckle radius near the knuckle radius WRC is not applicable. Then then what we should prefer FEA or
Yeah.
we should not take the value there.
No, we have to do analysis. We have to do either we have to do by in PVLite if possible. If not, then we have to do the this one FEA analysis. FEA analysis also can be done from PVLite or by using this Nozzle Pro software. If you connect this Nozzle Pro with PVLite, it will do that one FEA analysis inside that one.
Then how we can connect Nozzle Pro with PV light?
Actually, when you analyzing that one in nozzle option, there is a option is there. So in there you have to select the FE analysis of that nozzle. So if when you select that one, it inside PVLite report itself it's done by FE analysis. You have to install.
Okay, it is available in 2025. Available, na?
I used in older version. You have to verify that one with your PVLite who license provided. You have to just ask them. But it is available
Okay,
in
sir. When we
yeah.
hmm,
When
when we open the nozzle dialog box, okay.
yeah, in nozzle dialog box itself, but you have to
Then
install
where
both means Nozzle Pro also in your PC and this PVLite also in your PC. Then only it will be accepted.
okay. Okay. Actually, that's why there is no option because if Nozzle Pro will come, then we'll official.
Yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, no.
When Nozzle Pro comes in PC, only then you have to select that Nozzle Pro.
Okay. Nozzle Pro is what type of software? Is a like a PV light or other type?
It's not like it's a FEA software. In there, your by using mesh analysis that they uses for analyzing the nozzles and that one, like FEA, other no, ANSYS and that one, no, like that is.
Okay. No, I mean there is also the parameter that put the value of design pressure, temperature, and modeling complete model.
No, actually it takes everything from PVLite because this Nozzle Pro and PVLite, the mother company, the main company, they both are joint venture them. So there, when you PVLite itself, you enter all the values. Directly it takes from Nozzle Pro and it analyzes in PVLite's report itself. You no need to go in again. You have to enter everything, complete model, nothing. Just you have to select their FE analysis by Nozzle Pro. Just you select it, complete takes and it analyzes in your report itself. It shows that one everything.
Okay.
Right, Kaushik? Did you try it any? You also?
Yeah, Nozzle Pro, I tried. You are correct in that. Nozzle Pro, I think both are now, I think it is coming with PVLite free, right? You no need to pay extra. Or you have to pay extra for that?
Yeah, we need to pay extra. Means in subscription itself, they will take that additional one. The Nozzle
By
Pro,
default.
yeah, Nozzle Pro, the person they takes additional for that one because their software, their company is different. No? Their company, main company, name of their owner is different. Name of this company owner are different.
Yeah, because when I was working with this PVLite, that time this Nozzle Pro was there by default. Means
Yeah,
now
if
I
you
don't
install
know.
both the
They
software in
charge
your PC, then it is a default. It comes there itself.
Yeah. So I use for this some of the big nozzles where the nozzle load is very high. So we normally check with the Nozzle Pro. So to make it more safer side.
Yeah. And also it will be when we fail that in any nozzle, then we again analyze for FE. On that time we use this Nozzle Pro. And Nozzle Pro it's
But
yeah.
frankly speaking, I never understood that how they do the calculation. It's coming maybe another 100 page or 50 page extra.
Yeah, 150 page extra it's come.
It's only to satisfy the customer. I used to do that. Okay, now it's coming everything okay because the last time the ratio is coming. Okay, that means we are safe.
Yeah, the margin because
It's
that
like
reduce.
sometimes I feel it's like a black box, bro,
Yeah,
not like UV light.
yeah, we cannot go inside, no, that mesh and that analysis, we cannot go and we'll
Yeah,
learn and
yeah, it's automatically coming, right? Lots of seeds. You just do the analysis, this run, then it will say, okay, this. The different load and the load cases is maybe 12 or 13 cases it finds.
yeah, finds and that gives the graph or pictures of that one, and we just see that where
Yeah,
is the
yeah.
red color is there. If no red color, then it's
Yeah,
pass.
sometimes I feel like it's a black box. We don't know anything, and then we are doing something. But if you see, normally for the more bigger nozzle, sometimes clients ask for ANSYS. That I can understand. The ANSYS one is more comfortable. You understand okay what it is actually doing.
Yeah, and
But
since
this
actually
nozzle
3 4
code,
pages only comes, so we understand that one. But this one 50 to 50 75 pages comes additional. So and each page there is different combination of loads and that one that verifies, and that just
yes,
they by with color and that one they indicates with that one. So how it's coming and whether it's passing or not. And lastly,
yes,
last pages we see
that's
that okay, all is passing means it's okay. Now we can submit like that.
correct. It's like everybody is like in a. I mean, to say from client side also they don't check if it is nothing is red. They
Yeah.
also say okay, it will be okay only. It's like only belief, okay, but nobody knows
Yeah.
what is exactly happening.
Now believe means if there is no red means it's okay, passed. So we can we can believe that one. It's passed.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, Asin, you can try that one because what we've done.
Okay, and the pirated version is Nozzle Pro is available or not?
We don't discuss pirated on that one, but that's better because this is official discussion and it's going to place in our website and that one. So whatever we're
Oh,
discussing about the what purchased one, not pirated one. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. So you're currently using PVLI 25, no?
Yes, sir.
It's a licensed one, no?
Yes.
So, but it's then license only. I think it's not work with pirated only. So better to buy the right license one only.
No, I'm trying to myself. Okay, I will learn, and then I will see with company install the Nozzle Pro take license.
Okay. Okay, I don't know about that one. Much about that one. So you can try with your other friends. Okay. Any more want to discuss? Any more things? Kaushik or Hasin, you want to discuss any more?
Yes. Sir, I'm saying if we design heat exchanger,
Mm-hmm.
then the non-standard flange design, then the gasket.
Mm-hmm.
So gasket ID and OD, how to select, sir? Because I do sometime, but I find the best answer how to select.
ID and OD normally. Kaushik, do you want to answer?
No, ID it depends. If you're non-standard means there will be there will be like sitting area you normally find, right,
Yes, yeah.
in the flange. So that sitting area you have to check how much. Normally it is like okay, the sitting area is 50 mm. Okay, so minimum like 12 mm you have to consider the sitting area, that ID and OD. 12 mm, considering 12 mm width. I think it is somewhere mentioned in ASME how much minimum width is required. So then you have to check.
25 mm.
No, 12 mm also minimum, I think.
No,
25 mm.
in TIMA 12 mm, 12.5, and in
Yeah, correct. In TEMA it's 12 mm. So you have to consider with the 12 mm, and then it should be like normally uh, it should be nearer to the ID of the flange. So then you just do the calculation. If it is coming safe, it's okay.
no, I saw that there is some too many places. I saw the gasket ID just like 700 ID. Then I saw the gasket ID 725 and OD 750. So just like I want to ask you how to reduce what's the relation between the gasket ID and the flange ID, because I saw too many places and too many documents just like 700 ID of the flange and sail, but the gasket ID 700 25, 30, just like that.
See, the understanding wise, it is like good engineering practice. If you see the width of the flange, suppose the seating width is 50 mm, suppose. So normally it is the ideal condition is 700 ID of the flange. So your gasket should be 700 ID. That is the ideal condition. But sometimes what happens if there is some plus minus during manufacturing, so you avoid that 700. So it will be sometimes if gasket is in the so the ID side is negative or positive, then it will be more like that. It will clash with the flow. So
Yes,
that's why it is like they consider in the middle. Suppose 50 mm is the seating width, so the center will be 25, right?
Yes, yes.
So then that from the 25 take 12.5, 12.5. So that is one way you consider. So most of the cases we will see like that only. But the ideal condition is it should be 0, because more it will be more nearer to the ID. It will be more calculation wise. It will be more safe.
Okay, and also the less chance to leakage.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, and sometimes what we saw there when we choose the M20, M20, M24, M20, when we increase the number of size of bolt, then there is also the thickness change. Then what we should prefer?
I'm not getting you actually.
Just like I'm saying, I am designing the non-standard flange and body flange of heat exchanger. Okay, then we select first ID, OD, and everything, number of bolts and bolt size. When we bolt size increase, the also the thickness increase of body flange. Then and also we change the another. Then how we understand what design is my suitable and good, and what we should do good. Just like when we use first, we use
That will not be any clear answer of that, because see you are doing the calculation of that flange with
Yes.
changing the number of holes. Suppose you change the number of holes, then sometimes your bolt also will fail. Okay,
Yes,
because
yes.
number of you increase the number of holes means your bolt dia, your stud dia will reduce.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it depends. Like it's a permutation combination. So
Okay. Okay then.
I am
Have
happy
a
right
nice
now to
weekend.
see with you.
Yeah. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy. Bye. Bye, Kaushik.
Okay, bye. Bye.
bye. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you.
all.
Thank you.